Hello, Papa Deej here. Today you will join me to clean his motorcycle chain. Chain. For you who don't know, what is motorcycle chain? A chain drive in a motorcycle is a system that transfers power from the engine to the rear wheel using a metal chain. You like that, VO? Now you know how a motorcycle chain works. Now, what are the benefits of keeping the motorcycle chain clean and well-maintained? Extended chain and sprocket life, improved performance, increased fuel efficiency, reduced risk of chain failure, cost savings, easier maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Thank you, my friend, for that very wonderful graphics presentation. It's well made, Beyblade. There's always dirt, and they always get dirty. So let's get dirty. Hello again. Here beside me, it's my friend's motorcycle. Hello, Glenny, my friend's motorcycle. This is Glenny, my friend's motorcycle. Glenny is one of my oldest friends, 11 years to be exact, and he is still my co-worker up to now. Your motorcycle chain is very, very dirty. Can I clean it?
Yes, please. I beg you.
You beg me. I beg you. Thank you, Glenny. Have a wonderful day. So what are the cleaning tools we need to clean the motorcycle chain? Air blower, degreaser, WD-40, brush, cloth, chain lube, and gloves. It's time to call Papa Deej 2.4. Where are you, Papa Deej 2.4? I need you. I got you. You're right, Papa Deej. It's very dirty. Ew. When dirt and grime is on the scene, Papa Deej is here to clean. There are many ways on cleaning a motorcycle chain. It also depends on the cleaning tools you have. Today, I will show you Papa Deej 2.4 way of cleaning this chain. Because why not? Position your motorcycle. Use the motorcycle center stand to elevate the rear wheel off the ground. This allows you to rotate the wheel freely, giving you access to the entire chain. Before we start cleaning, let's talk to Chan Chan. Hey Chan Chan, I hear you, I feel you, I can't wait to clean you. I know your pain and I know you're struggling. And apply chain cleaner. Spray the chain cleaner or degreaser liberally along the length of the chain. Let it soak for a few minutes to break down the dirt and grime. Using the chain brush or toothbrush, scrub the chain thoroughly to remove all the dirt, grime, and old lubricant. After scrubbing, rinse off the cleaner with water if the product instructions recommend it. Otherwise, use a clean rag to wipe away the loosened grime and cleaner residue. Degreaser, brush, rinse. I repeated this process because the dirt and grease were really stuck on Glenny's chain. Dry the chain. Ensure it's completely dry before applying lubricant to prevent trapping moisture. Use WD-40, one of my fave. Shake, 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 spray, spray, spray. I use a hard plastic bristle brush to remove the rust. Promise, pinky swear, I really don't like the products of WD-40. Then wipe the excess lubricant, and lastly, it drives out moisture. Okay? Okay. Safety note, whenever you are working with chemicals such as WD-40 and chain lubricants, always use gloves and work in a well-ventilated area to protect your skin and lungs. Apply a dedicated motorcycle chain lubricant that matches your chain type. Standard, O-ring, X-ring, ring. Hello. Apply the lubricant application instructions carefully to ensure adequate coverage without over-lubricating. Adequate. So clean, so good. Did we know that we can also apply this cleaning method to bicycles too? Now we know.
Woo!
Psst, psst. Hey, come here. Pause the video if you need to, okay? No rush. Toothbrush. Such a beautiful chain. Good job. To me. And that's how to clean a motorcycle chain drive. Once again, this is Papa Deej signing out. Be kind to yourself.